Hey everybody, welcome here to Make Money Online Guy, and today we're here to look over a specific app to make you guys money online. Now, if you like stuff like this, go ahead and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel because it always helps us grow, and I'm always going to give you guys tips to make money online. Now, in this video, we're looking over a specific app named Swagbucks, and we're going to profile it in this video and look through it for you guys and see how it is. Now, this is some of my first time too, and I don't have a lot of Swagbucks, but let's get into it and let's see how this app works. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video, and I'll show you the fastest possible way to make money through Swagbucks, so we can both make money online. Let's get it. Swagbucks is sort of like a reward site, a reward app, where you can make money from doing stuff like playing games, shopping, watching videos, and they give you points called Swagbucks. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. Matter of fact, let's look through it right now. All right, everybody, get your smartphone out right now and go ahead and stroll over to Swagbucks. I've already pre-downloaded it, but if you have an Android, you could probably just go to the Play Store. If you have an Apple, just go to the OS store and download it. As you can see, I got it here under Swagbucks. So go ahead and open up the app. Should say Swagbucks. It should load quickly. Now, as soon as you pull it up, it should be a to-do list as soon as you come up. Now, I just started mine, so I have 0 SB points. And SB points are something like, see what these are called. Swagbucks. SB stands for Swagbucks. So if you verify your account, looks like they'll give you 5 SB just for verifying your account. I've already done that, so I end up with 9 SB in mine. You can activate $10 shopping bonuses. Let's take a little look down here. You got 2-minute intervals, 2-minute surveys you can do, 13-minute surveys you can do, 8-minute surveys, and it tells you on the side how many Swagbucks they're going to give you for completing each one. Now, I would say that the Swagbucks are kind of comparable to cents, you know what I'm saying? So it might take a little time for you to make some money on here, but it's better than just playing mobile games and doing nothing and making nothing out of it. Let's look at some of the rewards you can get from completing some of these surveys online. Let's go up here to the settings. Redeem SB. I don't know, I only have 9, but that is what it is. Now, it looks like you can get featured gift cards and stuff like that you can redeem with the Swagbucks that you get. Looks like one of the first ones is a Visa, a $10 reward card for 990 Swagbucks. Now, that doesn't seem like a lot, does it? Because each survey that we were looking at before, let's go back at the surveys and see. I've only got 9 Swagbucks. See, this surveys give you 25, 75, 13-minute surveys, 8 minutes. So I basically would say for your time, I don't know if that one was worth it. So let's go back and look at some other ones that you can redeem. Now, looks like they got cash rewards from Visa and Game It and stuff like that. But, oh, we're looking at the phone here. PayPal, Amazon, gift cards, cash rewards. I mean, it looks like they got a couple of different ways. Let's go look at some more different ways that you can probably redeem these Swagbucks from. I think that you can play games. Well, you can play games and stuff like that on here. Let's go look. To-do list. We already seen that. The answer discovery. Here we go down here. Now I see solitary grand harvest. If we were to play that, we would get 2,000 Swagbucks. And if you guys remember before, just for 990, you would get a $10 card from Visa. So I guess playing this game, let's check it out. Let's see. Now, if we were to go down and play this game, it looks like you get 2,000 Swagbucks, but look, it's something that come with it. You have to play solitary and complete crop 11 within 14 days of installs. So you have to watch. A lot of these things have secondary requirements for you to actually reach or actually get those Swagbuck points. So make sure that you look that up before you guys get into it, because those requirements have to be done within a certain time period. Like this one is 14 days to install, and you have to have that earned by that. So I'm assuming that that's a certain level that you need to get to. So make sure you watch out for that when you downloading this app and checking that out. Now let's look at some of the other things they got on here. Looks like they got Lowe's up to 3 Swagbucks back, cash back. Let's check. Let's click that out. Let's see what that is about. Let's see what that's about. Get up to 3 Swagbucks, up to 50% off. No, up to 3% off cash back. Online special terms. Like I said, a lot of these things got online special terms and requirements. Make sure you look at that before you click on and waste your time or something like that, so you actually get the Swagbuck point. So you actually get the Swagbuck points. Now this is just for Lowe's. Looks like they got deals and sales. Let's view that. Okay. Now let's go back out and then see what else they got. Now at 3,500, that's a lot. Let's check that one out. Now, if you do this one, you have to install the app and reach level 75 to earn the 3,500 SB. Now, me knowing some of these mobile games, I'm pretty sure that it's pretty hard to get to level 75. 3,500 S Swagbucks is a lot. Let's see what we can get for 3,500 Swagbucks if we were to take the time to get all the way to level 75 in this Club Vegas game. Let's check it out. Let's go back and then look at redeem Swagbucks, what we can get for 3,500. So as you can see at the very top up here with Fanatics, 2,500 gets you a $25 e-gift card. So get to that level 75. Let's see. So playing those games, you can actually make money from that. Let's see. 9,000 Swagbucks? No, that's not, that can't be right. 4,900 Swagbucks gets you a $50 reward card. So you could imagine with 3,500 probably would get you something like 30 bucks or 35 bucks if we could find something equivalent to it. Okay, I promised you guys at the beginning of the video I would give you the fastest possible way to make money on Swagbucks quickly. Now, if you go to their website, because you can't do this from the app on their phone, you have to download something called the Swag button, which is something like a search browser that you use on their site. Now, when you download it, they give you about 25 Swagbuck points just for downloading it. Now, you want to use this all the time. If you use it, they give you Swagbucks just from using the search engine. So everything you do, instead of using Google or Bing, just use the Swag button and download it from their site, and you'll get Swagbuck points just for using it. So that's the easiest way I see possible making money on this survey site. As you go along, it looks like they give you better and better rewards if you show faithfulness to the app and stuff like that. So make sure you guys download that Swag button, because that's a pretty easy way to earn Swagbucks, and it's pretty ingenious at that. So make sure you guys check that out, and that's the fastest way that you can make money on Swagbucks if you ask me. It's something to be had. So instead of spending your time, wasting your time doing all that mobile game playing and on the social media sites, you can be doing the same thing here, playing games and stuff like that on Swagbucks. You actually could be making money. And I know it's little and small, but you know what? Every little bit counts, and it's just a quick way in one app that you could use. We are going to visit more apps in the future. This one I just wanted to run through with you guys and show you this app because I thought it was pretty neat. I'm new to it, but I know a lot of you guys probably already been on Swagbucks. Like, hey, I've been on this Swagbucks already. But hey, we're going to do every little bit we can. I'm going to have another video for you guys in a second. This channel is for everybody who wants to make money and you think about money all the time. This is what we're going to talk about on this channel. Make sure you like and subscribe for me, and I'm going to really appreciate it. And I'm going to get back to you guys. Let me know what you think that we should review next, or what you think down below, and I'll get to it, or else I'm just going to keep releasing this stuff and try to give you guys as much knowledge that I have. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time.